Ooh. Ow.
Stupid thing won't break.
Ooh.
It's raining.
That cactus is getting its butt whopped.
I'm
Oh,
stepping right in it.
Ooh.
Gone. Walk over to the other side. Follow me.
Ooh.
Swipe nothing.
Little fruit. Ah! They're all coming at me.
Sorry. I'm gonna whack this one right here. Right?
Ooh!
Are you okay?
Ugh! It's all over me. What the fail? Ah! Stop it! Wait! Let me move to a different position because you're just whacking everything in my way. Wait! Stop! Okay. Have at it. Catherine, I think that's enough.
One more. Ready? 1, 2.
Ooh. Ow, look at all that carnage.
Look at this whole one over here.
You took out like a complete,
Right there.
like 2 complete ones.
Right here.
As long as you don't touch the little brown dots.
Hold on. Look at that, baby.
Chopped it completely off. Wow.
Now knock this baby.
Wow, the flowers are actually pretty. You said one more. Chill out.
I just want this one. It won't get off.
Here, I got it. Here. You want this one, right?
Yeah. Hold it up. Show your prize. It just lightninged. I'm out of here.